Guys, think about this. Look at all that rusty steel. Isn't that cool? Now, this is public knowledge, but this steel sculpture actually cost $6 million. I could have got it done in $5 million. I'm just saying. Hey guys, I want to talk about 5 art projects made from rusty steel. Number 1, artists often use rusty steel and make intricate sculptures showcasing the beauty of this rusty steel decay. Figures add a unique touch to outdoor spaces. Number 2, rusty steel and wall art. Steel can be transformed into stunning wall art pieces that can add a rustic charm to any space. Artists use techniques such as welding, rust, patina, painting to decorate intricate designs and patterns on steel panels. Number 3, rusty steel furniture. It can be used to create stylish and durable furniture pieces like tables, chairs, and benches. The rusty patina adds character to the furniture and gives it a vintage industrial look, which a lot of people are going for. Number 4, rusty steel garden decor. It's a popular material for creating garden decor items like planters, trellises, and sculptures. These pieces can add a touch of rustic elegance to any garden or outdoor space. Number 5, rusty steel installations. Artists create large-scale installations using rusty steel to make a bold statement in public spaces or art galleries. These installations often combine steel with other materials like wood, glass, or concrete to create a dynamic and visually striking composition. Now you can take non-rusty steel and make beautiful things as well. I've actually considered taking some custom steel legs and putting a 2-inch slab of dark walnut on it, which a lot of people are doing right now, and that is super fancy. Let me know what you think, what you guys make. You can take all the kinds of scrap and make it beautiful art. Let me know in the comments what you would like to see. There's lots of genius ideas out there. Enjoy this music. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite.